Welcome to Short and Dictation 453 number Kalasandra 80 word per minute. Ready? Start. The food minister the other day rightly pointed out that ultimately it is the production which is the key to the solution of the food problem. He also pointed out that mere exhortation of farmers to produce more is not going to have any effect, and that we will have to give them economic incentives in order that it may be possible and advantageous for them to produce more. As far as economic incentives are concerned, he said that he was thinking of establishing a statutory committee to go into the question of food prices. Now, sir, all these facts are there, but is it the contention of the government that it is merely the question of prices which keep down the production of food grains, or is it that there are other remedial measures which should be taken in order that it may be possible for the farmer to produce more? Honorable Dr. Kunjru has already pointed out that increased production can take place only when there are increased irrigation facilities, enough manure, and good seeds. In each one of these items, we are lagging behind. Even the little irrigation facilities that are available are not being fully utilized for more one reason or another. Argument goes on, but the fact remains that water meant for irrigation is not being utilized. It is impounded for no purpose whatsoever. What are you going to do? Are you going to continuously argue about what is right and what is wrong, or are you going to take some positive steps to see that all the irrigation facilities that are available are fully utilized and more facilities are created? The same is the case with reference to manure. We have been told that there is not enough manure and that the food ministry is arguing with the finance ministry for more foreign exchange to be made available so that more manure could be produced, and so on. Again, arguments go on, papers move from ministry to ministry, but as far as the question of demand and supply of manure is concerned, I have got figures with me which show that not even 50% of the demand for manure is supplied today. What are you going to do about that? These are problems as far as production is concerned, but to my mind, the still more important problem is the problem of organization in the rural areas. As long as these fragmented holdings remain, it will not be possible for the farmers to take the advantage of the facilities. The system of service cooperatives is the seat anchor of the Congress policy. Full stop.